I was sent this 6-pack of water filters from Membrane Solutions and asked to give my opinion on them, make this short video. So here goes. This is a 5-micron set. They're 10 inches long and 2.5 inches wide. So it's a pretty standard size, useful in a lot of different water filters. Let's see what you get in the box. You're going to get 6 of these. They all come individually wrapped. Not just in some bubble wrap, but also in plastic wrap as well. So it keeps them nice and sealed until you're ready to use them. You can see these have a wrap inside as well that keeps all that filtering material in there nice and tight so that it holds its micron reading throughout the life of the filter. Let's get this installed in my house and see how it looks. All right, so to change this filter, first thing I'll do is I'm going to shut off my water supply here and then try to relieve a little pressure from this filter here also. And that's going to help me to open this up with a little less splashing. And I can press this button on the top, and that'll also reduce some of that pressure. Okay. And then take my filter wrench here. Is this the right one? Yeah. And we'll loosen this up like that. And then I got a drain bucket, try to catch most of the water that comes out. There we go. Now that'll let me take out my old filter. And then I'll take the new filter here. Set that down in. And you can see that water start to fill up all the way. And now I'll just flush this through for a little bit and then we'll be ready to go. So hey, I hope that helped to learn a little bit more about these 5-micron water filters that are 10 inches by 2.5 inches. Hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.